Do you want to know what's inside this box? He'll tell you.
Hi, I'm Ayush, and this is my award.
That's right. And today we are here to celebrate Ayush's success, but he's going to tell you everything about it.
I recently won the prestigious Sharjah Excellence Award for the Distinguished Student category. And I'm very grateful to Brain because I had one talent to showcase, which was mental math. And Brain helped me with that.
I'm actually very excited to see the award. Could you please show us the award?
Yeah, sure.
Wow, that is beautiful, isn't it? I'm so proud of you, Ayush. Congratulations on winning this award. Okay, but now I'm more curious to know, what was that question that they asked you at the interview?
During the interview, I told them that my talent was a backflip and asked them if I could do a real demo in front of them, and they agreed. So I asked them to say any random 2-digit into 1-digit multiplication sums so that I could answer it within 1 minute, and they agreed.
Ayush, I'm really very excited. In fact, I'm so curious to know how it would have been because we were not there, right? So could you just recreate the whole demonstration for us so that people can see your talent and we can see what talent you showcase? Would you be up for it?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I'll answer it anytime. Even if you wake me up from my sleep, I'll still answer you.
Confidence. That is confidence. Thank you. Ma'am, can I please ask your help to help us with the demonstration?
Yeah, sure.
I need a calculator so that I can check the answers right then for the audience. Okay, are we ready? Are you ready, Ayush?
88 into 9.
792.
25 into 7.
175.
73 into 5.
365.
34 into 9.
306.
27 into 3.
81.
81 into 5.
405.
44 into 3.
132.
99 into 9.
891.
Wow, that's
That was amazing. You got it all right. I was fumbling with my, calculator. You're faster than that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so before we wrap this up, I want to ask you one last question. And yeah,
Before that, can I ask you something?
yeah, sure.
Firstly, I would like to thank my teachers and Brain for supporting me throughout my journey. And thanks to Brain, I have achieved the prestigious Sharjah Excellence Award.
That was so cute. Thank you so much. We are absolutely proud of you, and we are so happy to have you here as a student.
Sorry, now you can continue.
Okay, sure. Okay, so my last question was this: that what is that advice that you would give to other kids or Brain kids who have joined and who are looking to achieve something in their life, in terms of an award? What is your advice?
What I want you all to remember is work hard until you succeed, and your efforts will surely pay off.
Wow. I have nothing else to say. Please listen to him. He's the one with the award. And I'm pretty sure that you see that confidence is built, but it is also how their parents raise them, how they take all the training that is given. And I am absolutely stunned by his confidence, by the things that he's capable of. So I would suggest that believe in the vision that you have for your children and make sure you give them the right tools to succeed. Thank you.